It's been a challenging year for pharmacies across the US as they provide essential services during the COVID-19 pandemic. But the next few months will bring increased demands, with pharmacies, big and small, set to play a major role in administering COVID-19 vaccines.
It's an all-hands-on-deck situation.
Sam Ann is a pharmacist in Southern Illinois.
Major employers are reaching out to anyone and everyone trying to staff up on pharmacists as well as their support staff, the technicians and students. They are training people who have never administered vaccines before, some students, some technicians, for the first time to find the light at the end of this tunnel.
Large chain pharmacies such as Walgreens and CVS have already begun administering vaccines at long-term care facilities. Walgreens say it will hire some 25,000 people to help.
A lot of pharmacists are being engaged, whether some pharmacists who were recently retired are coming back into the active workforce, and we're glad to see that they're being able to use their professional skills to be able to help their communities. I'm going to leave this copy of the vaccine plan with you. But
Garth Reynolds of the Illinois Pharmacists Association says his focus is on ensuring pharmacies have all the equipment, staff and training they need.
we had to make sure we stepped up any additional education for pharmacists who were not already immunizers. Pharmacists will still be doing that clinical review, but the actual technical act of the administrating the vaccine will be assisted to us by not only our student pharmacists, but also by our pharmacy technicians.
The incoming Biden administration is planning a dramatic scale-up of vaccinations, promising 100 million vaccines in the first 100 days of office. The rollout of COVID-19 vaccines in the US is already way behind schedule. But once the vaccines are more widely available, there is a confidence here at least that pharmacies will be able to handle the pressure.
I'm very confident that from the pharmaceutical manufacturers down to the pharmacies, we have a system in place to be able to appropriately move this vaccine and get it to the communities as we need them.
You want to take one of these a day?
There is still some way to go before mass COVID-19 vaccinations in the US become routine, but pharmacists here say they're ready for the challenge. Dan Williams, CGTN, Morton, Illinois.